This is Mike.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And we're back again with another video for you guys. And today's topic is about abundance, right? And I hope this resonates with a lot of you out there, so can change your life for the better, right? And please go to the subscribe button, subscribe and like and comment.
Leave a comment for us.
Yes, that you subscribed.
That I subscribe. Leave a comment that I subscribe so we know.
Yeah, and we would love to hear from you.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And so today, let's talk about abundance, right? Abundance is all around us, everywhere, right? We wake up, there's abundance everywhere around us, right? We go to work, there's abundance everywhere around us. We go to eat, we go to lunch, we go to dinner, we go out with friends or family. Abundance is everywhere.
Right.
Right? Just focus that into your mind, right? That's abundance. Just me.
Right.
Think about it. Just me standing right here in this beautiful weather. That's abundance.
Right. So it's abundant life. So
yeah.
Abundance is just everywhere and everything around you. Just be aware that there's a lot of abundance around you. Just need to be alert and be observant, and it is around you. You just don't know it. So everything that you do is abundance. For example, like you wake up in the morning, you get a drink of coffee, you wake up, you have your bed, you have your TV, you have your telephone, you have food, you have your house that you live in.
You have your health.
You have your health. You have your family.
Yes.
And even yourself. That's already a lot of abundance in your life.
Yes.
Right?
You focus on that. You focus more on what's great in your life, which is plenty, right? I wake up, wow, I had a beautiful sleep. That's abundance.
Right.
Okay?
Every little thing that you do is abundance.
Yes. And then first thing that I do before I even open my eyes is thank you, God, right, for all this abundance, right? So I recognize it. We all recognize it, right? So the more we recognize the
more you attract the abundance to your life.
Yes, there's
more.
You
need to recognize that there is abundance in your life, and more abundance will
be around you.
Around you, yes. Will attract you.
Yes, that's how it works, right? That's the law of attraction, right? The law of attraction is in your mind. You control it, okay? Look at this tree back there. That's a beautiful
tree.
Yeah, beautiful tree.
And we're just enjoying this beautiful tree right here.
Yeah.
And that's already giving us a lot of abundance.
Yes. Right? So remember, program your mind for abundance. Okay? It's
say
everywhere.
in your mind, abundance, 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 right? You focus and say abundance, abundance, abundance.
Yeah.
And you will get that abundance coming
from every direction.
To your life.
Yeah, from every direction. Okay?
You don't need to worry about it, think about too much. Just ask for abundance and it will come to you.
Yes. What you focus on will expand more. So, wake up and focus on the beauty of life, the abundance of life, right?
Right, abundance. You have abundance of friends.
Yes.
Abundance of kindness.
Yes. Oh, yes. Kindness is another thing, right? Yeah, kindness. Be abundantly kindness, right?
Or abundantly friendly to people.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. So the more kindness that you show, the more you're gonna get return.
Right.
Right?
That's just how law of attraction works.
Yes. Okay. So I hope this
will help everybody have a better understanding of abundance or having an abundant life.
Yes.
Which we all do have. It's just that you need to be aware that you do have it.
Yes. And most importantly, like I said, I study this a lot, but if you study it and you keep it in your mind only, and you don't do anything about it.
Apply.
Yes.
Apply to it. You know it, you study it, you apply to this idea in your everyday life.
Yes, it's very
in
simple.
your everyday experience.
Yes.
That's what we do.
Yes.
We study and know all about this for like what 10 years,
10 years,
almost
yeah.
10 years,
Yeah.
10 years plus or so.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So you got to apply it. Once you apply it, your life will
You-
change instantly. Okay?
You have a better understanding when you apply the concept or idea in
Okay.
in this
So-
life.
So, with that being said, I hope this resonate with a lot of you, and I hope that if this can
Then help
change
and
your
change your
life
life.
for the better.
Yes.
Oh, we love it. Okay. So once again, hit that like and
Don't
subscribe.
forget, yes, to
you know,
reply
and
on
comment.
a comment.
You know?
I subscribe. That would be very helpful.
Yeah, we'll comment too. We'll love to hear from you.
Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. And once again, remember this. Okay,
Enjoy
enjoy
life.
life. Peace.
Ciao.